Uhulumeni uthi usebenzisana nezinyunyana ukuze kusungulwe uhlelo lwebhizinisi oluzosetshenziswa yi-South African Airways. Lolu hlelo olusha luzofaka phakathi ukudayiswa kwezabelo ezithile zale nkampani kanye nezinye izimpahla ze-SAA.
Njengamanje zonke izindiza ze-SAA zimenze ngenxa yomthelela wegciwane i-coronavirus kwezokundiza emhlabeni. Uhulumeni umekwele ukuthi akasenawo amabhiliyoni amarandi okutakula i-SAA njengenjwayelo. Noma kunjalo akayiphathi yokuphonsa ithawula ayeke le nkampani ukuthi ihlakazwe ngokusemthethweni.
The Department of Public Enterprises is doing its utmost to avoid a total liquidation of the airline. I think it's come to appreciate that the costs of liquidating the airline are huge in terms of creating dead, unserviceable debt in the order of 50 to 60 billion rand. And it's very important to the future of South Africa's economy that the airlift connectivity provided by SAA be continued as well.
Kunalokho uhulumeni ukhuluma ngokuhlela inkampani kabusha. Umnyango wezinkampani zikahulumeni uthi sekuvunyelwe nezinyunyana ngalokho.
It's talking about finding a negotiated way forward that really does consider the realities of the current situation in terms of the impact of COVID-19 and also what a new profitable airline would look like. It would still require a cutting away of much of the privileges that employees have, whether they be cabin crew or staff or metal workers or whoever else.
Khona manjalo abatakuli be-SAA ama-business rescue practitioners bona bayaqhubeka nezinhlelo zokudiliza abasebenzi bale nkampani. Izinyunyana iNUMSA ne-South African Cabin Crew Association sezifake isimangalo enkantolo yezabasebenzi ziphikisana nokudilizwa kwabasebenzi. Mbongeni Mutsha, SABC eGoli.